Dear Dhamma friends, I hope you are doing well. Let us talk about the importance of Undua Poya. Undua Poya Day is a deeply special time for Sri Lankan Buddhists. This day reminds us of great movement in Buddhist history that helped the Dhamma spread in Sri Lanka. It is a day full of meaning and blessings. One important thing is the arrival of the southern branch of the Jayasri Mahabodhi tree. This branch was brought from India to Sri Lanka by Sanghamitta Theri, the daughter of Emperor Ashoka and sister of Arhant Mahinda. She brought this sacred tree to Anuradhapura, where it was planted with great respect. Even today, people from all over the country visit and worship this sacred Bodhi tree. Another important event is the beginning of the Bhikkhuni Sangha in Sri Lanka. Queen Anula and many other noble women had reached a high level in their spiritual practice. They wished to become nuns and live according to the Dhamma. Sanghamitta Theri helped ordain them, and this marked the start of the female monastic order in our country. It gave women the chance to walk the path of enlightenment. Undua Poya is also connected to the Sri Pada pilgrimage. It is believed that the Buddha visited Sri Lanka's mountain known today as Sri Pada. At the top of the mountain, he left his sacred footprint, and this place became a symbol of deep devotion and faith. The tradition of climbing this mountain started on Undua Poya and continues to this day. So, on this Undua Poya, remember these powerful. Let us remember these powerful events with gratitude. Let us honor the Bodhi tree, respect the path of the Bhikkhunis, and follow the Buddha's teachings with faith. This is a day to practice kindness, wisdom, and inner peace. May we grow strong in the shade of wisdom. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.